Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Zipmex. So let's get started right away. Open up your Zipmex application to get started. In the first interface, tap on the sign in button in blue. You'll then need to enter your email and password associated with Zipmex account. Start off by typing in your correct email in the first text box. Once you are done, go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link above the password box and follow through the password reset process. If you don't have a Zipmex account yet, you can tap the sign up link and follow through the account registration. After filling in your email and password, tap the sign in button in blue at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to log into Zipmex. It is that simple. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.